Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this tutorial is part of the KineMaster tutorial series. So if you want to check that series out, be sure to hit the iCard above to watch that watch the whole series. So basically what I'm gonna be showing you in this tutorial is how you can add green screen to your videos using KineMaster. It is a video editing application that I use for all of my tutorials, and I really recommend I highly recommend you guys checking that app out and downloading it as well. The link will be in the description below this video. Please join my Discord as well. The link will be in the description below this video. So basically what you want to do, you want to go to YouTube, and then you want to go search up whatever green screen that you want to use. So for this particular video that I'm editing, I'm gonna include this subscribe green screen. So I'm gonna type in subscribe green screen, and then I'm gonna look for a suitable video that has it. As you can see, has 1 million views, so I'm gonna use that. And what you want to do from here, you want to go and tap on the share icon and copy the link for this video. And then you want to exit out of YouTube, and then have a browser you prefer. And then you want to go and search on Google. You want to search up Y2 mate. And now you want to tap on it. And now you want to paste the link to that video in the box, and then you want to download the video in the highest resolution as possible to have the most nice crisp quality, as you know. Just tap on download. Just hit download. Now that you have downloaded that video from y2mate.com, you want to go and tap on the down arrow with the circle, and then you want to go and tap on it right there. As you can see, it's right there. And then you want to go and tap on that up right arrow, and then you want to go and tap on save video. And now the video has been saved to your photo library. So now you want to exit out of Safari, and now you want to go in, and now you want to go and open up KineMaster. Now that you have KineMaster opened up, you want to go and look for that saved project that you have been editing, or you can create a new project to show, for example. So I'm going to tap on create new, and I'm going to just do this. That's because I haven't. So I'm going to just put a image like right there. I'm just going to extend this image, tap on this. So basically what you want to do, you want to go and tap on the layer icon, then you want to go and tap on the media, and then you want to go and tap on all, and then there you have your green screen. Just tap on it, just go to split screen and click the full, and now you want to go and tap on the check mark. Then you want to go and tap on it, click chroma key, and enable chroma key. And as you can see, there you have the green screen. And if you don't want the audio, you can just go to mixer. You can just turn off the audio for that green screen from there. So without further ado, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you would like more tutorials or want to suggest more tutorials, please comment below this video. And if you think someone is looking for this video, or if you think this can help someone, please be sure to share this tutorial with that person. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and join the family. I would really appreciate it. And without further ado, that wraps up today's tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.